Hey there, struggling with your credit score? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're talking about how you can use artificial intelligence to help you fix your credit. Whether you're trying to clean up past mistakes or just want to boost your score, AI could be your new best friend. If you are not sure what to look for on your credit report, AI can guide you through the basics. Just ask an AI chatbot. It can help you spot errors, suggest ways to improve your score, and even draft those tricky dispute letters. These chatbots analyze your credit history, provide actionable steps, and make the process way less intimidating. Now, you're probably wondering, can't I repair my credit by myself? It's definitely possible, but there are risks. AI tools can help avoid mistakes and save you a ton of time. Without AI, you might miss errors or spend hours trying to navigate credit laws. But with AI, you can let the tech do all the heavy lifting for you. So why go AI-powered? For starters, you get accuracy, personalized strategies, and automated dispute resolutions, all tailored to your unique credit situation. AI tools like Dovely AI make credit repair smarter, faster, and more effective. Plus, you'll have access to real-time updates and customer support when you need it. With AI-powered tools like Dovely AI, you're just a few steps away from a better score. And remember, it's not just about the tech. Keeping up good financial habits is key too. Visit dovely.com to get enrolled and start bettering your financial health today.